really love the exhibit hall.
I am really enjoying the exhibit hall.
The exhibits with some really amazing exhibitors.
I get, so much budget that I have to be really considerate of what I spend my money on. So this has been a really incredible experience to actually really talk to school library focused exhibitors to where I can spend my money the best I can for my learners.
Spending the time looking at new options, new technologies.
So looking at those new products that are available.
And be able to see how well the product works, for one, but two, like what could I do to make this a more successful experience with my students.
Even including the books that we're looking at. I love that they have some of the books on display.
They can be as beneficial in terms of introducing us to new trends and ideas as sessions presented by our colleagues.
Just find out more of what I didn't know before.
I made a really cool name tag here, and I'm learning all about circuits and how I might use that in my classroom.
And when I can see how it works and interact with it, I can think more about my kids and how they're going to feel about that technology or that resource.